got here like 45 minutes after it happened. Because like they were like, oh, get down here. Well, what you said? Kevin said the doctor said maybe like 5 or 6.
And then they went back and checked again,
and then
she was dilated like twice.
They checked again and they dilated like twice, and she was like under an hour to have it. When I left, they said like under an hour. And then, I was flying. It was raining and stuff, so
Do you have a camera phone?
I just want to get here so quick.
Do you have my camera phone?
Oh yeah.
A sneeze.
Oh, what happened?
You had a little sneeze.
It sneezed. Its first sneeze was that recorded at 3:10. Remember that. All right, cool.
Hey, grab my
Hey,
camera
pals.
phone and